changing my mindset. You don't need fancy gear to make great content. I know as a starting content creator, it's very tempting to invest all this really cool gear that you see your favorite content creators using. I'm 100% focused on making myself better and improving the skills that I have rather than just the quality of equipment. I don't want to be a content creator that is making videos for an algorithm, and I'm not going to be a content creator that is doing this just for views. What I hope to bring to this channel is the same thing that I've tried to bring to business my entire life, and that is an investment in people that are watching my content, people that I'm friends with, or myself. So welcome to this wild ride, and I hope that you enjoy being here. My ultimate goal is to try to build a community of like-minded individuals. If you've stuck around this long, I appreciate you for being here. I do stream on Twitch every Thursday at 12 p.m. Eastern, so if you have questions about what you see here, please feel free to stop by and talk with me live. If there are specific topics you would like to discuss, comment them down below. I'll see you next time.